So the first episode of this channel is Who Am I? So I thought it will be apt for me to introduce myself to the student community of our country. I am Apurba Kanjilal, a Hyderabadi Bengali. My mother tongue is Bengali and my birth took place in the state of West Bengal. At the age of 4 onwards, we relocated to the city of Hyderabad, the capital of the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh. And right now, it is the capital of Telangana state. My father was working in DRDO in Hyderabad, and that was the reason for us to relocate to Hyderabad. And all my studies took place here in the city of Hyderabad. So after completing my graduation in the field of library and information science from Osmania University, I joined ISRO in the year 1982 and served there till 2000. Thus, it gave me the opportunity to see all the launches of all vehicles, all generations of vehicles, from the last launch of SLV to the Chandrayaan-2 launch, wherein GSLV Mark III launch vehicle was used. Thus, I had worked and also associated myself very closely with more than 60 launches of all the launch vehicles of our Indian space program with SLV-3, ASLV, PSLV, GSLV Mark II and GSLV Mark III. When I had joined SHAR, a photograph from my young age, and I have another photograph which shows myself presenting a paper in a seminar. And at the end of my service, this is a photograph which is very important and dear to me because it is a major milestone of having completed my service in the government of India, and it is a farewell function, and a beautiful model of rocket is given to all the retiring employees. This is a model of GSLV Mark II, and with a scale of 1:200, which means the actual rocket will be 200 times bigger, larger than this size of the model. So thus, in a nutshell, I introduce myself to you and also promise to showcase the space activities of our country at a regular interval. So thank you for watching this channel, and also before I end, my salutations to the giants of the Indian space program. Dr. Homi Bhabha was the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was chairman Atomic Energy Commission, former chairman ISRO and secretary DOS. And then Professor Satish Dhawan was the director of the Indian Institute of Science and the chairman of ISRO and secretary DOS. And subsequently, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the rocket man of ISRO, the missile man of DRDO, and one of our most favorite Rashtrapati of the nation. Also, I remember Dr. Brahma Prakash, who was a instrumental in building the integrating the various entities of at Trivandrum into what we know as VSSC, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. And finally, Professor U.R. Rao, who was responsible for the first satellite program, Aryabhatta, of ISRO. So thank you once again for watching this episode and giving me an opportunity to introduce myself to the audience. And I take leave at this moment. Jai Hind.